Hey guys, you're here with Netra, and hope everyone is doing well. I'm getting ready to show you guys my second scrapbooking paper crafting collection for the summer. The first collection was Golden Hour. It had a lot of warm tones, a lot of greenery, and then this one has a lot of cool tones, and I think you guys are gonna like it because I am dying to use it. I cannot wait to cut into it, so I figured I would show you my kit that I put aside for myself. I would show it to you guys so that I could go ahead and start creating with it. Maybe in today's video I'll put a start to finish card at the end. But yeah, I think you guys are gonna like it. And so we're gonna head over to my desk and I'm gonna show you guys everything that you get. All right, so here we are at my desk. This is the paper pack that I'm gonna show you. All of my paper packs will come in Ziploc bags, just because I know sometimes when you're crafting you have a lot of little scraps that you wanna save, and so I like to have something that's resealable and you can store this away wherever you leave your papers. The paper is 8.5 by 11. It's on nice thick cardstock. And you get 12 patterns. So let's go ahead. So those are the papers. Okay, and the die cut pack, like all my die cut packs, are super packed. This one has 48 pieces die cuts and then 2 sticker sheets. So let me show you the sticker sheets really quickly. You get this nice navy blue and then a faux glitter with pink border. Really pretty. Nice size for cards and journals and scrapbook layouts. And then here is the die cut pack. It's jam packed. There's some big pieces, there's medium sized pieces, and there's some smaller pieces in here. I wanted to make sure that you could use this for anything. Scrapbook 12 by 12, 12 by 12 scrapbook papers, cards, journals, traveler's journals, planners. Some of your die cuts will have rhinestone accents, so there's a little extra for you. Not all of them, just a few. so much you can do with that. Okay, now the fun add-on kit. This will be sold separately. So the paper and the die cuts go together for one price on my website, and the shipping is included in that price. Again, you're getting 12 8.5 by 11 pattern papers and 48 die cuts and 2 sticker sheets. So for that price. And then this is going to be an add-on set, and whew, I'm obsessed with this. So this has 60 flowers in here, different sizes, different shapes, different patterns. And then in this one, again, 18 piece, and these are butterflies. And I'm just gonna go ahead and rip this open. I don't want to, but I gotta show you the butterflies at least. That's going to be separate if you want these flower kit and the butterfly kit. They'll come together with each other, but you'll have to add it on in addition to the whole kit. So anyway, that is it. Let me show you guys all this goodness. Oh, I'm so excited. It's so cute. So here is the second summer kit from Netra. It is called Through the Water. It's very bold, very bright and fun, and I just want you guys to get in it, make some nice cards, uplift some people in your life, create some memories, and that's just what I want this kit to feel like. Again, some of the quotes are biblical, and I just think they match the time that we're in right now. Just know that wherever you are in life, God is going to be with you. I am a believer, so I can't help but put Jesus in everything I do. So he's in this kit, and I hope you guys love it. And thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts down below. What's your favorite part? My favorite part are definitely the butterfly kit, and definitely some of these rhinestone accented die cuts. So anyway, I'll see you guys on my next video, and thank you for watching. Bye.